welcome back to another video. Like I said in my last video on how to draw a rad seahorse, I said I would show you on how to draw a crab. So, let's get right into it. So the first thing for the crab is we're going to make a little smiley face, then another one, then a big one, and a couple more. I'm going to go right here, go down, make a line right there, curve all this line up to here, and do the same thing on this side. On your face. I'm going to make two lines on each side. I'm going to draw an eye, then a circle. Eye, then a circle. Then we're going to draw two lines right here. I'm going to draw kind of like another smiley face. Another one, but smaller. Then another thing. I don't know. I'm going to make kind of like a stretched out oval shape. I'm going to make a line right here. Curve right there. And then go right here. Make a line that goes right there and there. The reason we put that, the reason we put that other one right there is because then we're gonna make the second one, the second leg, which is just gonna be up here. So it looks like it's kind of like, actually it's that side. I don't know, I'm gonna erase something. Like that. I'm going to make another one. And then another one. I'm going to make two lines that go up and then curve. I'm going to draw a line right there, draw right there, and go right there. And we're going to draw a line that goes all the way to here, and like a stretched out frowny face. I'm going to draw other frowny faces in there till we reach right here. Then we're going to draw smiley faces. Like that. Same thing on this side. Time for the legs on the other side. Then I'm going to outline, and then I'm going to show you the colors that you're going to need. Like that. Then you're going to grab a dark red, a lighter red. That's all. Time for the shading part. So for right here, all the way down to right here. Let's color that in. Then you're going to draw another shading right there, another one, and a couple more. Same thing on this side. Then for the legs, you're just going to draw some shading. Then that dark red can go away. I'm gonna fast forward through this part. Then, yeah.